It's Asante Kotoko, the fabulous club who go back into Africa where we belong. We are playing without Athletic and we are going to beat them by 4-0. We will resurrect the ghost of Zamalek at the Kumasi Sports Stadium that Sunday where Safu Jemfi got the 4th goal. Give me my jersey. I have 2 lovely Kotoko people here. In 5 minutes they will be, no, just give it to me. I may not wear it, but okay, those who want it for the Sunday game, you can contact me. Give me the other one. My people are plenty. You want it for this is what? This is
flag.
Oh, the flag, and this is a jersey. But I like what you are wearing. What's that?
It's a vest.
It's a vest.
Yeah.
But I didn't bring the vest.
Bring it on.
Fabulous.
The best.
I missed the team. Okay, so tell us what's happening on Sunday.
Paul, so good evening to your listeners and viewers. So, like you said, so what's happening on Sunday? So, Sunday is a big one. Of course, Kotoko is back to Africa. And we are playing WAC of Morocco again. They've been here a couple of times. I remember one of it that we went to Morocco, we beat them 1-0. Then they came to Babaya and beat us 2-1. So their away goal, we forget to give out the cup to them to take away. So this time, God gives hope. We are here again. Unfortunately, we have to move the game from Kumasi to Accra.
Because the pitch is not good. Is that the reason?
A lot of factors. I think one of them is Kobo. Kobo doesn't work. Yeah, in Kumasi. So
they're coming to Accra.
Yeah, we're in Accra.
So have the way up with that people arrived?
Yeah, they got here last night.
Have they been training?
Yes, at Lagos.
The training is at Lagos. We are playing a game at Accra.
Yeah, that's what it is.
40,000 capacity.
Yeah, 40,000. So what we want to do is that we want to ensure that we put a lot of supporters, at least 30,000 of us will be on Sunday.
Yeah.
But this is the Kotoko. And this is your Kotoko.
I'll be there for sure. I'll be there.
Definitely, I know you'll be
I'm
there.
certainly
Yeah, so we are appealing.
I'll be sitting back.
Yeah, sure. So we are appealing to everybody watching, everybody in Accra, those of us, those outside Accra, Kumasi, Takoradi, Cape Coast. Just organize yourself, get your masses, and that was the way to Accra. We've made a lot of reservation for everybody. And we also reached out to a few SHS campuses. Of course, your school.
Yes,
yes. Yeah, there's
you give them a bus to come.
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect.
So we want to.
Dr. Keke Sapo coming to the school. I hope he does.
Yes, because them are one by I'm sure he will work on it. So the two of them can come still and he can give us all the support. So
let me talk to you, madam. Why are you a Kotoko fan? Oh, your mother?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your expectations for Sunday?
I'm just looking the team that's
What stage is this?
this is the last stage that gets into a good stage. So I think we are bringing this.
Have you played one already?
Yes, we play the Kwara from Nigeria.
Oh, we mean the one that was complicated. We scored so many goals and conceded so many.
So when I went to Nigeria and beat them 1-0.
Oh, we did 1-0 in Nigeria. Okay. So these videos are what? This is the Accra ride you did today?
Yes, so this is what we did today.
We went through the first pass of Accra.
Accra, yes.
To remind people that Asante Kotoko is here.
Yeah.
So tell us more about it. Yes.
We are just creating an awareness for people to know that we are back. And then one gets a team to it. We are telling people that you should come back.
And Asante contributed 150,000 United States dollars.
Back for the second leg.
Towards the Morocco second leg.
Yes.
So that's 2 weeks from now.
No. Next week coming Friday.
Oh, they played one week.
Yes, one week. Yes. So after Sunday, Friday we are playing.
Oh, I see. And we are playing in Rabat.
Yeah.
That's going to be a tough one. Then they have a very vociferous crowd.
No, we'll deal with all of this in Accra.
So how many goals will make us comfortable? 3-0.
3 will put us in a very good position. 2 should be a very good one.
Do we know them well?
We know them very well. I mean, we'll be monitoring them for the past 5, 6 years. They've not been doing so well. The reason why they dropped from Champions League to competition where we are now. So that is a story as to how both teams are doing. So we are both at the consolation. So we'll match up our strength.
But the supporters will come there and do against.
Which is normal. But so what's going to happen is that assuming we have, let's say, 30,000 capacity food, then we have Asofo let's say 200. There are not so many teams. Let's say 100 or 200 of them.
Yeah, but we should have a legislation that you can't wear any color to the stadium except red.
No, let them come. So that when we beat Liverpool, you have no option than to. You can't think of the games they will do. So wear it and come. Just come and
At the end of the game, then we can see and
Yes,
tease
yes,
them.
yes. And tease them.
I see.
Yeah. So if you come, we're
Are you
not
going to be at the
going
stadium, man? Are you coming with friends?
Yeah, that's what
I see. Is this a Pokemon session?
Yes.
I thought you're only in tech.
We are everywhere.
Oh, I see. Pokemon session is in
We are
Lagos.
everywhere. Yeah. We are everywhere.
Oh, I see.
And we are coming in our next Sunday. From Cape Coast, from Winnipeg, from Saturday, from.
Okay, give me your final word. What's your final
So
word?
the final word is that luckily management has put out the short code for the purchase of tickets. So if you want to buy a ticket as we are speaking, it is star 365 star 1935. You get a ticket and you buy. If you're not able to buy online, then you have to wait for us on Sunday. The gates need to be open for each and everybody to have access to the ticket. Need to get a hard copy one. And so buy your ticket, come to the stadium, sit down, have fun. There will be a lot of fun. Pokemon Tertiary is coming, we invited a lot of people, so come. You see, I think like the.
Pokemon session, they can make the stadium very exciting.
Yeah. And Sunday we are doing a lot of things to make the place exciting. And Paulus is coming, so we'll come and.
I'll certainly be there.
Yeah, come and have some pictures with
Fabulous
Paulus.
Kumasi Asante.
Sure. Your own Kotoko.
Yeah.
So that's
So
all.
Pokunti coming towards the game.
Yeah, he's around. Yes, so I think
Pokunti is here.
Yeah, I think they were the stadium today. Pokunti and Kabembo.
Over the trade.
Yeah, we trained at the stadium today, so we were around.
Yeah. Pokunti is my best ever Asante Kotoko player. What about Michael Osei? How is he these days? The senior one, we have to Michael
It's
Osei.
fast.
The senior Michael Osei.
Yeah.
The coach.
Yes.
The Joe Debra.
Yeah.
Debra also died.
Yeah. Okay, so
Osman Labura is around. I think
Abra-
Kwachi also on that team. Kwachi went abroad.
Yeah, they left after that.
Oh, the Michael Osei must have died young.
Yeah.
Late 50s.
Yeah, I think he went to.
He was in Germany.
Yeah.
I met him in Germany before. Some event. That's what in Germany.
Yeah. It was with the very good.
Yes.
So after the season, I think he went for a special.